Hello all. I'm so excited to say that our projects are done today. You guys have worked so hard, and we're going to walk you through your final steps to turn in a polished, beautiful product that you can be proud of. So your first step when you go into your draft today is just to go down and make sure you've made revisions based on all the comments you have from Sarah and I, and your peer reviewer even. And so you would read them and make sure you change anything you need to change so that you've completed that revision. And after that, I noticed that very few of you used the editing checklist yesterday. So after that, would love for you to open your editing checklist and go through all of the steps that it suggests there. And if you don't know how to get to the spell check feature, it's right in tools. Okay, just making sure that your product is polished and ready to go by editing it. After you have used your editing checklist, you're going to get to delete these boxes and make sure that things look really neat and you don't have this extra writing tool stuff anymore. So to do that, what you do is right click on top of the box, and then you can do delete table and it'll go away. And you can do it for this one as well. Delete table. Awesome. At that same time, you should resolve any comments that are left that you've already dealt with the revisions for. Done. Beautiful. After that, you are going to format all of the text. Most of you have not yet added titles, done subheaders, made everything neat and together like that. At this point, you should do that. Remember, paragraphs are indented. It also means things like some of you have random things bolded, or like some of your text is a different color or maybe even a different font. You want to make sure it's the same font, it looks neat, everything like that. And it can also include bolding and underlining things. In particular, we would bold and underline our title and our subheaders if we have them. And this person is already further along with that than other people may be, but they are missing something that everyone needs to have, which is their name. So you would add your name of student below the title somewhere, and then the date, December 8th, 2020. Okay, I'll show you some more examples of formatting stuff in just a sec. In addition to the title and the date and the name, you can also insert any images. This isn't required, but it will add interest to your piece, engage the audience further. If you don't know how to do that, you do insert, then image, search for something related to your case. Like in this case, it's about someone being searched in school. So I might say like locker search or something. And then, oh, I see. Look, here's a picture of some lockers. Maybe I'll do that. I could insert a couple different images if I want. I just want to show you with images, to allow you to move them where you want to go, you have to make sure to select it and then click this middle thing that says wrap text. If you do that, you'll be able to move the image where you want and manipulate it more easily. Okay. There is more than one way to format something so that it looks great and looks neat and looks like an op-ed. So linked in the agenda for today, there's our op-ed models, and you can check them out for different examples of how people did this. Like this one is underlined at the top, and the name of the author and the date are below here underneath the picture. It doesn't have any subheaders in this case, and it's separated that way. In this one, there's no underline. The name of the author and date come right after that. And we have a picture to the side instead of that, and there are subheaders. So some of these things are up to your discretion. You can make choices on how to make it look neat, but regardless, you need to make sure your name's on it. There is a title. All the font is neat and looks polished. So once you do all that, congratulations, you are done. You guys have worked so hard on this project, and we really are very proud of you. You should pat yourself on the back.